The cryptocurrency market may be falling right now. We may be pulling back with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of altcoins. But what if I told you that XRP whales are doing something right now in front of you that may shock you? And yes, there are some other whales of other projects doing the same thing. Cardano's in this mix as well. But in this video, I want to focus in on XRP because it is clearly right now one of, if not the retail and institutional favorite outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And, we look in the market all the time. We always want to see what the price action is doing. We always want to see what's going on, right? What's moving, what's going up, what's going down, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And here's the thing, the cryptocurrency market is always going to ebb and flow. And obviously, everything is tied to Bitcoin here. Like, we know that. I'm actually going to brighten myself up there a little bit. There we go. So that's no secret, right? We're always going to get some pullbacks, some downturns in the market. Bitcoin kind of doing that here in the last 24 hours, last 48. ETH's down to 4,300. Bitcoin's down to 116 and some change. XRP still comfortably above $3, but we're down from our local tops. But the key here is what the XRP whales are doing right now that could shock some people. So while a lot of people are talking about a market pullback, according to the data, XRP in both Cardano and XRP, they're both down in the last 24 hours. But despite this, Sentiment's on-chain analysis shows that large investors are actively buying both cryptos right now. Specifically, the 50-day average of transactions over 100,000 reached a 5-month high in August. So according to on-chain data, whale wallets significantly increased their holdings of XRP and Cardano in August. And obviously, we're still here in this month, but it hasn't been the best month for XRP. Whales holding, though, between 1 million and 10 million XRP added 300 million XRP to their portfolios, bringing their total holdings to 6.72 billion XRP as of today. Cardano whales, very similar here, purchased 30 million ADA, bringing their total to 5.55 billion ADA. And at current prices, these purchases are worth approximately 900 million for XRP and 27 million for Cardano. You can see the disparity just between XRP and Cardano there, just in terms of the amount of interest here. But it says here, this correction is healthy for the markets after the enthusiastic rally of the last 2 weeks. This coming from Max Shannon, senior analyst at Bitwise Europe. And I think when we look at price action, we don't really tend to go much deeper. And we can look and track a lot of this data, through sentiment. Nansen has done a phenomenal job with their AI agents that allows you to track whale wallets. I'm constantly looking at whale wallets to see what's going on. But, when you go to the charts, you're like, oh, XRP's down here, 2.5%. What's going on? But all of this is happening here in the last month with XRP down 10.5%. The smart money is accumulating right now. The smart money is buying up the supply at these lower levels. Because at one point, not that long ago, less than a month ago, we were up here at 355, 360, 365, right in here. Okay, we came back down, dipped down, to 276. Look how quick we shot back up over $3. Went from, 275 all the way back up to 330. And now we're back down at this 306 level, and the whales continue to accumulate. Now, I want to get into this a little bit more, but real quick, I do got to tell you about the free newsletter. Make sure you guys sign up if you haven't already. If you're trying to build wealth in crypto, this is the best way to do it. It is totally free to sign up and start getting the free information in alpha. And if you really want to then level things up, XT Algo, my trading software, always available to you for $1 a day. We've got a 30-day money-back guarantee. That first month, get you out of the gate, get a couple wins under your belt. This thing's going to pay for itself over and over and over again. The last time we got a big momentum up on the XRP chart was down here at 240. This was the buy signal right here, the momentum up. And look how much you would have gained in a 12-day period, 52% gained in 12 days here since that buy signal. So again, XT Algo is your way to level up your investing game after you sign up for the free newsletter. So definitely check those links out down below in the description. Of course, you could trade XRP a lot of different places, but if you're looking for one in particular, the Crypto.com exchange, one of the best out there. It's powerful, it's fast, it's secure. You could trade XRP right now for 365 days, 0 fees. Only when you sign up and start trading using my link down below. That's right, free XRP trading for 365 days, signing up with Crypto.com exchange. But yes, the market is falling, but the whales are buying. This is when the smart money stacks their chips. This is how you make it in crypto. You've got to be able to zig when others are zagging. People don't want to make the move that, goes against the grain. But this is exactly what the big whales do. This is exactly how they make their bread. And so when we look at the markets, down here across the board, red, and we've got some things turning up green a little bit here, not too much, but a lot of things down, right? This is where you have to double down on your high conviction plays. When you get this pullback within a bull market like we're seeing right now, you've got to double down on your high conviction plays. And for some, that's XRP. For some, that maybe Cardano or Chainlink, or maybe a collection of all of these, SWI, HBAR, Ondo, etc. Right? But the whales are buying right now. That's the facts, guys. And they're doing it right in front of you. And I just want to get you guys up to speed on all of that. As I mentioned, you can come trade with me. Crypto.com, main sponsor. So is BITUNIX right now. We've got a XRP whale who just earned a bunch of free XRP for trading millions of dollars with us over at BitFi or BITUNIX, depending on how you want to pronounce it. But we've got a bunch of XRP whales trading. They love this platform as well. So check out BitFi down below as well. Got some great perks for you guys there. Lower trading fees, some contests we're running. So a great place for you guys to make your moves with XRP over here as well. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Appreciate you all, and we'll see you guys in the next one.